In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to actually claim your Robux in Please Donate. Make sure to watch this video until the very end to prevent any mistakes in the process. Now, you don't actually have to be in the game to claim your Robux from the game. All you have to do is go to the top right corner and click on the Robux button. Click on the amount of Robux that you have right now. As you can see, I have no pending Robux, but if you have not claimed your Robux yet, it will be in this area. As you can see, you can go to this drop-down menu and click on Sale of Goods. And as you can see, someone donated to me from the game Please Donate. Now, if yours is actually pending, it will tell you the amount that you're receiving, and it will have a little clock next to it. All you have to do to claim it is wait 5 to 7 business days, and the transaction will go through and it'll actually show up on your sale of goods. And if you have any pending, it'll be under here, and that's all you have to do is wait 5 to 7 days. You don't have to click any buttons to actually claim the Robux. And that's all there is to it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.